Detoxify your mind and body. Be the change you want to see. Small steps towards living better. Small steps to where I want to be. Ooh.
Hey, thanks for tuning in today, guys. I've got a juice for you that's going to really detoxify and boost your skin health. If you want nice, beautiful, glowing skin, I highly encourage you to try juices such as this one that contains cucumber, celery, kale, and lime juice. The thing with limes very similar to lemons in as they are very detoxifying in our systems. They really aid the kidneys in excreting metabolic acid wastes. So what they do is they alkalize and they have astringent qualities that help pull metabolic acid waste out from the cells into the interstitial fluids, and the lymphatic fluid takes it out and we excrete it through our kidneys. Now that is how we prevent acidosis, toxemia, any condition that you may have where there's going to be pain like arthritis or kidney stones can form if you have too much acid in your system as well. Now the kale has the chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is basically the blood of plants. When we take in the plants, we get that chlorophyll, and that is extremely cleansing to our blood. It oxygenates the blood and it cleanses it so that we have the best nutrients getting to our cells, and that's gonna really benefit every aspect of your health and your life. So now, celery has calcium, it has sodium, and it has a lot of water, and that is going to help to detoxify as well. The thing with all of these ingredients, especially the cucumber as well, very high water content. So that is, we are high water beings. We are about 80 to 90% water, and that is what we want to be eating in our food as well. We want high water content foods, so that helps our bodies attain that same level. A lot of us are eating cooked foods, and cooked foods dehydrate the body. Cooked foods have very little water, so when you take in cooked foods, your body has to pull water from the internal organs to compensate and to balance the body, to find a good homeostasis so that our body can function correctly and it doesn't burn up from the acids. Especially the cooked food, you get all those damaged proteins, those enzyme resistant proteins, you get those cooked fatty acids that can't be broken down by the gallbladder and the liver because they're just fused, they're just extremely long bonded fatty acids that they can't be broken apart because of the heat. It has changed the structure of that molecule, so it ends up coating our GI tract with a greasy type of fluid, and it's very hard for the body to take the nutrients that would be absorbing into the cells. It inhibits the natural uptake of those nutrients. So what happens is we absorb the nutrients and the sugars in through the GI tract into the bloodstream, but since there's that mucousy, greasy coating along the blood vessels, the blood isn't able to get the blood sugar into the cells. So that is where you get high blood sugar, and that can be a problem. That can cause candida, and that can cause a lot of other issues like diabetes. So that is something that we need to be sure that we're getting in the alkaline minerals and the antioxidants, as well as things like chlorophyll that can alkalize, that can detoxify and cleanse the body of all of those impure, damaged molecules. So this juice is so good for the skin, and I don't like really to single out nutrients, vitamins, things like that, and saying that those certain nutrients prevent things or give you certain health benefits like like the silica in the cucumbers. The silica is known as being very good for the skin. If you want to have good skin, you want to eat cucumbers, you want celery, but the silica in the cucumbers is known for preventing aging in the skin and wrinkles and things like that. So that is one benefit of cucumbers, but you know, that's not a reason to go out and buy like a silica supplement, if they even make them. I don't even know if they do. But the idea of isolating nutrients and using those single nutrients in a supplement to get a health benefit of silica, say, from the cucumbers, instead of eating the whole cucumber and going to a pill of silica, you're not going to get the same benefits as if you're eating the whole food. The whole cucumber has so many more benefits, and it will actually interact with your body the way that it was meant to. Your body was not designed to take in these isolated chemicals like silica in a pill form. Our body's going to see that as a toxin because it doesn't have all of the other bioavailable nutrients that it came into the planet with. You know, it grows, and it grows with all of those other coenzymes, all the other vitamins, the minerals that our bodies are really designed to recognize as food. So that is, I think, a very important key term or a key factor to understand, that isolated factors are not as beneficial as the whole food. So go buy some cucumbers if you want to get silica. Don't go to the pharmacy and get a silica pill. You won't get the same effect. Not only you won't get the same effect, but the water content in the cucumber, you're not going to get that in a pill. So we want to make sure we're getting high water content foods. Not only for the water by itself, but because that's going to help with digestion, it's going to help keep our bodies alkaline, and you know, enzymes can only work when we have a hydrated body. They can only work in water. So if you're not hydrated, you're not going to have the proper enzymatic action going on in your system. So that can cause digestive issues and other energy type issues. You may be fatigued if you're not having the proper enzymatic activity going on in your body. So that's a lot of stuff to process. I know I went over quite a bit there, but the general idea that I want to get through in this video is that high water content foods, fruits and vegetables, green foods, because green foods are very detoxifying, cleansing of the blood, very beneficial for the lymphatic system. And when we get the lymphatic system moving, we really start to pull out all those toxins. The lymphatic system is responsible for pulling toxins out of the body. So we want to always make sure that we're eating foods that are beneficial for the lymphatic system. Now, celery, cucumbers, kale, and lime, they're all great for the lymphatic system. Lime is especially good for the kidneys, because when the kidneys are functioning correctly, that means you're going to be filtering out all of that metabolic acid waste that the lymphatic system is taking down into it. When we take in the nutrients, I'm going to go over this really quick. I keep thinking of other things to say. So just so you understand how the lymphatic system works and a little bit of our digestive process, we'll take in the foods, the fatty acids, the amino acids, the carbohydrates. They're all going to go to the liver to be categorized. Other nutrients and minerals and chemicals will go into the liver as well through the portal vein, gets to the liver, and it's going to detoxify and sort all of the different minerals and vitamins. So the thing is, when we have toxins in the blood, the liver is responsible for counteracting those harmful chemicals and deactivating them so that they are not harmful to our bodies, and then the liver will then shoot it up through the general circulation into the bloodstream and out through the kidneys. So we want to make sure that we're filtering through our kidneys and we're eating foods that are going to promote kidney health. Kidney and liver health is very important to keeping our bodies alkaline and detoxified. So yeah, I went over quite a bit there. You might want to replay the video and maybe write some of that down, or go research it yourself. Look up how to keep the kidneys healthy, how to keep the liver healthy, how to promote proper lymphatic movement, things like that. So I'm gonna get to making this juice now. So this is the part where I'm sure most of you were waiting for. I'm sorry to take up so much of your time, but take a look at how this juice is made. Let's focus on eating whole, fresh fruits and vegetables and getting in those alkaline minerals, those antioxidants, the chlorophyll, all that stuff that's going to keep our blood healthy, clean, and full of oxygen. So like I said, take a look at how this is made. If you like the juice, be sure to comment down below and let me know what you thought, why you liked it, how you feel afterwards. And after a while of drinking juices like this, I promise you, you're going to start seeing an improvement in your skin. Your skin is going to start to feel more soft, it's going to look better. If you've got acne problems, it'll start clearing up, things like that. But not only should you be drinking these juices, you should also stop eating things that are causing stagnant lymphatic movement, like the processed foods. Alright, I'll go over that in another video. So take a look at the juice, have a great day, see you in the next video. Now, is that not a beautiful juice? So green. It's like a bright green. So drink a couple of these a week. Drink one. If you can do one a day, that would be awesome. But if you go, once every other day, that's cool too. That you're gonna start to see your skin clear up and your energy overall is gonna boost and you're gonna feel awesome. So, if you wanna have great looking skin and awesome energy, here you go.
Detoxify your mind and body. Be the change you want to see. Small steps towards living better. Small steps to where I want to be.